araw. Salamat sa Diyos sa isang panibagong araw at pagkakataon para matuto. Muli, ako si Teacher Royce, Mathematics Teacher. At hayaan niyo ako na gabayan kayo upang gawin nating ang math ay maging madali lang. Simulan na natin. Ngayong araw, ang pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa arithmetic sequence. Our main objectives are illustrate an arithmetic sequence and determine arithmetic means and end term of an arithmetic sequence. Everyone, I want you to try this activity. Ihanda na ang inyong mga ballpen at papel. You have 1 minute to finish answering the activity. And your 1 minute starts now. Your timer stops. Tingnan natin kung nakuha nyo ang mga tamang sagot. Here are the answers. For number 1, 29. For number 2, 64. For number 3, 3. Number 4, 4. Number 5, 1. Nakuha nyo ba ang tamang sagot? Kung oo, mahusay. Kung hindi naman, ayos lang. Aalamin natin ngayon kung paano nakuha ang mga sagot sa bawat item. By definition, an arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers such that the difference d between each consecutive term is constant. Here is an example. The given set of numbers is an arithmetic sequence with first term 3, second term 7, third term 11, fourth term 15, fifth term 19, and last term, the sixth term, is 23. Observe the example for a while. Siguro napansin nyo, to get the second term, we need to add 4 to 3 to get 7. To get the third term, again, we add 4 to the second term to get 11. To get the fourth term, we need to add 4 to 11 to get 15. To get the fifth term, we need to add 4 to 15 to get 19. And to get the last term, the sixth term, we need to add 4 to 19 to obtain 23. Constant number 4 is added to the first term and to the next term thereafter until we reach the sixth term, which is 23. that constant number 4 is called the common difference. It is the distance between consecutive terms of the given sequence. Tingnan naman natin ang pangalawang example. The given set of numbers is also an arithmetic sequence. The first term 15, second term 10, the third term 5, fourth term 0, fifth term negative 5, and the sixth term negative 10. Can you guess the common difference for this set of numbers? Siguro napansin nyo that the common difference for this set of numbers is negative 5. Negative 5 is added to the first term and to the next term thereafter until we reach the last term of the sequence. So 15 plus negative 5 is 10. 10 plus negative 5 is 5. 5 plus negative 5 is 0. 0 plus negative 5 is negative 5. And negative 5 plus negative 5 is negative 10. The first two examples are arithmetic sequence. Remember, sequence is an arithmetic sequence if there is a common difference between two consecutive terms in the given sequence. Sige nga, subukan natin ito. Again, prepare your ball pen and paper. Kindly try to identify which given set of numbers is arithmetic sequence. I will give you 1 minute to answer. And your 1 minute starts now. Time's up. Tignan natin kung nakuha nyo ang mga tamang sagot. Here are the answers. Number 1 is an arithmetic sequence. The common difference is 6. Number 2, there is no common difference. Therefore, it is not arithmetic. Number 3, the common difference is negative 3. Thus, the sequence is an arithmetic sequence. Number 4, there is no common difference. Therefore, not arithmetic sequence. Number 5, it is an arithmetic sequence with common difference 0. siguro nakuha nyo ang mga tamang sagot. Kung hindi naman, mag-practice lang tayo. Let us now proceed. So we have the second definition. What you have on the screen is the formula for getting the nth term of the arithmetic sequence. Here are the parts. A sub n is the nth term of the given arithmetic sequence. A sub 1 is the first term of the sequence. N is the term position minus constant 1 times the common difference of the arithmetic sequence. So, huwag malilito. Subukan natin gamitin ang formula. So, we have 3 given sets of numbers which are all arithmetic sequence. Number 1, we are asked to find the 10th term of the sequence. Number 2, the 12th term of the sequence. Number 3, the 20th term of the sequence. Subukan natin. The 10th term of the sequence is asked. We need to identify the following. A sub n, or the nth term. In this case, A sub n is the 10th term of the sequence, or in symbol, A sub 10. The first term, or A sub 1, is 5 based from the given sequence. N is the term position. That is equal to 10. And a while ago, we have computed for the common difference of the sequence that is equivalent to 6. Let us now assemble the formula. Just substitute the value for each variable in the formula. So here it goes. A sub 10 is equal to 5 plus the quantity 10 minus 1 times 6. A sub n is A sub 10. A sub 1 is 5. N is 10 minus constant 1 times the common difference 6. Sana nasundan. The next line will be A sub 10 equals 5 plus 9 times 6. Next line. A sub 10 equals 5 plus 54. And finally, A sub 10 equals 59. Meaning, the term of the sequence is 59. If we continue to add 6 to the next term until we reach the 10th term, the answer will be 59. Sana nakuha. Subukan natin yung pangalawa. Number 2, we are asked to get the 12th term. Again, identify the following. A sub n, we have a sub 12. A sub 1 is 15. N is 12. And the common difference here is negative 3. Let us now assemble. So by substitution, we will have a sub 12 is equal to 15 plus the quantity 12 minus 1 times negative 3. A sub n is 12, a sub 1 is 15, n is 12 minus the constant 1 times the common difference, negative 3. Let us continue. The second line will be 8 sub 12 is equal to 15 plus 11 times negative 3. Third line becomes a sub 12 equals 15 plus negative 33. And we add 15 by negative 33. The result will be negative 18. So if we continue to add negative 3 until we reach the 12th term, we will obtain negative 18. Pangatlong sample na tayo. Number 3, we are asked to find the 20th term of the sequence. A sub n is a sub 20. A sub 1 is 1. N is 20. D is 0. By substitution, a sub 20 is equal to 1 plus the quantity 20 minus 1 times 0. Second line will be a sub 20 is equal to 1 plus 19 times 0. Third line is a sub 20 equals 1 plus 0. Then, finally, the 20th term is 1. Sana nasundan nyo at nakuha nyo kung paano gamitin ang formula for getting the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Third definition, the terms between any two consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence are known as arithmetic means. Ito ang halimbawa. the arithmetic means between 3 and 27 are unknown. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 arithmetic means between 3 and 27. Second example, we have 4 arithmetic means between 52 and 7. Bilangin natin yung blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, the terms between any two consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence are known as arithmetic means. Let us continue. Now, let us find out what are the values of those arithmetic means. Madali lang ito. Ayan. So, supply the missing terms. For number 1, the arithmetic sequence 3, then 5 arithmetic means, the last term is 27. We will use the formula for getting the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Ready na? Makinig mabuti. First, we need to count the number of terms in the given sequence, starting from 3. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, we have 7 term positions in the given sequence. N equals 7. Next, A sub 1 is 3. Next, A sub n. That is equal to the last term of the given sequence, or A sub 7. That is equal to 27. Next, D. We cannot identify the common difference. Walang magkasunod na term sa given sequence. If we able to find the value of the common difference, kaya na nating supplyan ng mga values ang mga blanks. Simulan na nating alamin ang common difference. By substitution, we have 27 equals 3 plus the quantity 7 minus 1 times D. A sub n is 27. A sub 1 is 3 plus n, the term position, we have 7 minus the constant 1 times D. So we write letter D as is dahil wala itong available value. Evaluate na natin. The second line will look like this one. 27 equals 3 plus 6 times D. Or 27 equals 3 plus 6D. So we solve for the variable D. First, we need to eliminate 3 by adding its additive inverse. The additive inverse of 3 is negative 3. So we add negative 3 to both sides of the equation. So we have 27 plus negative 3 equals 3 plus 6D plus negative 3. 27 plus negative 3 is 24. 3 plus negative 3 will cancel out each other. So the next line will be 24 equals 6D. Now we need to divide both sides by 6. 24 divided by 6 equals 6D divided by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Meaning the common difference is 4. So we need to add 4 to the first term and to the next term thereafter until we reach 27. Check natin kung tama ang ating nakuhang common difference. Kailangan maging eksakto ang magiging panghuling term kapag nag-add tayo ng 4 sa 3, 4 sa second term, sa third term, fourth term, hanggang makarating ng 27. Tingnan natin. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus 4 is 23. And lastly, 23 plus 4 is 27. Eksakto. So, tamang 4 ang common difference ng given arithmetic sequence. Subukan pa natin ng isa. The given arithmetic sequence is the set blank, 52, 4 blanks, 7, and blank. Palagay ko napansin nyo rin, there is no first term and there is no last term. How can we use the end term of the sequence? We are required to get the value of the last term and the first term. Ganito lang ang gagawin natin sa mga items na ganito. You need to regroup. Rewrite the set as 52 as our first term and 7 is our last term. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 arithmetic means between the first term 52 and the last term 7. Ayan, may first term na at meron ng last term. Subukan na natin. We need to count the number of term positions in the given sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is the number of term positions in the given arithmetic sequence. A sub 1 is 52. A sub n is 7. Its position is the 6th term. And D, the common difference, we cannot identify because there is no consecutive terms in the given sequence. Yan ang mga values. Simulan na natin. Hanapin natin ang value ng common difference para malagyan natin ng value ang mga arithmetic means. By substitution, we have a sub n, the last term a sub 6 is 7, equals the first term 52, plus the quantity term position is 6, minus the constant 1, times the common difference, which is unknown. Let us evaluate. The second line will be 7 equals 52 plus 5 times D, or 7 equals 52 plus 5D. Let us now solve for the variable D. By eliminating first 52. Kagaya kanina, we add the negative inverse. Add the negative inverse of 52 to both sides of the equation. Yan. We have 7 plus negative 52 equals 52 plus 5D plus negative 52. 52 plus negative 52 will cancel out each other. 7 plus 52 is equal to negative 45 equals 5D. Now, we divide both sides by 5. Yan. 5D divided by 5 is 1D, or D. Negative 45 divided by 5 is negative 9. The common difference for this arithmetic sequence is negative 9. So we will add negative 9 to the first term and to the next term thereafter until we reach 7. Tingnan natin. So here is the original set given. Let us focus first with this set of computations. So from 52 until we reach 7. 52 plus negative 9 is 43. 43 plus negative 9 is 34. 34 plus negative 9 is 25. 25 plus negative 9 is 16. And 16 plus negative 9 is 7. Eksakto na tayo hanggang 7. Kaya lang, meron pang mga missing terms. The term after 7 and the term before 52. Unahin muna natin yung term after 7. To get the value of that term, all we have to do is to add negative 9 to 7. 7 plus negative 9 is negative 2. For the term before 52, ang gagawin natin, instead of adding, is to subtract negative 9. 52 minus negative 9 is 61. Bakit minus negative 9 at hindi plus negative 9? So from 52 going to the right is adding negative 9. From 52 going to the left, we need to subtract negative 9. Papunta sa kanan, addition. Papunta sa kaliwa, subtraction. Ayan, eksakto. Subukan ulit natin. Subukan natin na i-add ang negative 9 to the first term until we reach the last term, negative 2. 61 plus negative 9, that is 52. 52 plus negative 9 is 43. 43 plus negative 9 is 34. 34 plus negative 9 is 25. 25 plus negative 9, 16. 16 plus negative 9 is 7. 7 plus negative 9 is negative 2. Sakto. So sana ay meron na naman kayong natutunan sa pinag-usapan natin ngayong araw. Muli, ako si Teacher Royce at maraming salamat sa inyo at sa inyong oras. Hanggang sa muli. Muli ay magandang araw sa inyo. Bago ko tapusin ang video, ay gusto kong magpasalamat sa mga nanood at nag-like sa ating previous video at sa mga nag-subscribe sa ating channel. Nawa ay natulungan ko kayo o nagabayan sa pagsagot ng mga learning task sa inyong previous lesson. Muli, maraming salamat!